Hello friends, welcome to the Monday, week 7 of the cocktail curriculum here on Virtual Happy Hour. Today we are making a cocktail inspired by this song. Paper Planes by MIA. This was created by Aussie bartender Sam Ross in 2007. It is a variation on the Last Word cocktail. It is an equal parts drink that uses bourbon, lemon juice, Aperol, and ideally Amaro Nonino. No, I don't think that you have this. Some of you might. Great, what a blessing. You can participate. If you don't have Amaro Nonino, you could use Montenegro, Benedictine, you could even use it with Campari. Obviously you're gonna get a very different flavor profile because all of those Amari have a different kind of balance of bitterness. They use different sorts of herbs that all give them their unique and distinctive flavor profile. So depending on what you use, you're gonna either have something that's a bit more bitter, more herbaceous, or something slightly sweeter. So I invite you to play around with this cocktail. Obviously the kind of bourbon you're gonna use is going to have an impact as well. Today I'm using Buffalo Trace, which is one of my preferred bourbons. My all-time favorite is actually Blanton's, but it is certainly on the pricier side and it's something that I like to use for sipping more than in cocktails. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of each of these ingredients. I should use my other jigger, but here we are. So we're gonna start with 3/4 of an ounce of our bourbon. The idea behind this drink is that we want it, I'm making a mess, that you want it to basically be a balance of sweet, sour, and bitter. So you're getting the sweetness from your bourbon and from the Aperol, which is a sweeter Amaro, and you're getting your sour from the lemon, and then of course your bitter from the kind of Amaro that you choose to use, and in part from the Aperol as well, which has a slight bitterness to it. So I'm gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of Amaro Nonino. Into our shaker tin, 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol, which is very sticky, apparently. Managed to make an LCBO run this weekend and stock up so we can continue to have virtual happy hour together. I know this is one of the few orienting pillars in your day because we don't know what time, day, or week it is. Even the month, it's gonna be May at the end of the week. I can hardly believe that. I don't know, this lemon, again, this is my last lemon, so I will need to go to the grocery store sooner than later because you can't operate without lemons, which you may have discovered here on Virtual Happy Hour. I call my outfit today Elle Woods in Quarantine. A little baby cardi, more than Giada Doloretta's level of cleavage, which is gonna get really spicy in a second as we shake this equal parts cocktail. All right, here we go. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend, got to enjoy the beautiful weather that we had on Saturday, went for a walk. There we go. And we're putting this into our chilled coupe glass. No garnish. I know we don't do no garnish very often. Very pretty color on this little concoction. Let's give it a taste. Oh damn. Oh damn! That's really good. Cheers guys. See you tomorrow. Wait, I did that wrong. Fucked up the air kiss, guys. See you tomorrow.